Hi YouTube. I want to give you guys a day 5 update of my Slim Quick Razor journey. I actually began taking Slim Quick Razor last Friday, at which point I weighed myself. I was 153.2. So today is Wednesday, 5 days later, and I weighed myself and I'm now down to 149.2, which has been a 4-pound weight loss since I started Slim Quick. I'm happy with my results thus far. In addition to taking the Slim Quick, I do incorporate 30 to 45 minutes of exercise, along with counting calories. I eat 1,200 calories or less per day. Out of the 5 days so far of being on Slim Quick, I worked out 3 of those 5 days. And that's pretty much my plan, is to work out a minimum of 3 days a week, along with counting calories. Along with that, another thing I wanted to add is side effects. I must say I have not had any side effects. Since being on the Slim Quick, I haven't had any jitters or overeating or not being able to sleep at night. I haven't had any of that. The one thing that I would say may be a side effect, but more of a kind of like a bother, is just you kind of get heat flashes here and there. And that's typically after taking the pill. But after that, you're fine. But that's not something that will make me want to stop taking it. So that's fine. And I really don't consider it a side effect. In addition to that, I would say that it does definitely give me energy. It does suppress my appetite. But it's not to the point where I don't want to eat, and my energy is not that great to the point where I'm like over energized. But today is actually still, I'm still on the week 1 regimen, which is 1 pill in the morning, 1 pill in the afternoon, 6 hours later. I'm starting Friday of this week. I actually will be accelerating, because I actually now have to go to week 2 for 2 pills in the morning and 2 pills in the evening or in the afternoon, 6 hours later. So I will keep you guys posted on my weight loss journey. I actually will check in next week, 1 week from Friday, to let you guys know how I do. Thanks.